Hello students, hope all of you are doing fine. Now this is the second part of the video of chapter 8, body movements. In the earlier video we have discussed about the human body and its movement, skeletal system and parts of skeleton. Now in this part of the video we will discuss about joints and muscular system. What is joints? A place where two bones joins is called joints. The place bones are joined by tough flexible bands of elastic tissues called ligaments. The end of bones forming a joint is lined with a layer of tough and elastic tissue called cartilage. So this is called joints. Now, types of joints. The two major types of joints are movable joints and immovable joints or fixed joints. In movable joints, they are ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivotal joint and gliding joint, whereas in immovable or fixed joint is only one, that is skull. Now, movable joints. First we will see about ball and socket joints. In this joint, the ball and socket joint, one end of the bone has a round shape like a ball which fits into the hollow space, that is socket, in the other bone. The joints allow maximum movement in all the direction and it is found in arms and legs. So in this joint we can rotate our hand and legs in 360-degree direction. In this type of joint, the ball shaped end of one bone fits into the hollow cup shaped socket of the other bone and the joint allows maximum movement in all the direction. The joint of the shoulder and the hip are example of ball and socket joint. Now second is hinge joint. It is like the hinge of the door. What is hinge of the door? You must have seen in the door you have three hinges are there which make the door movable. Like that, a hinge joint is like the hinges of the door, and we have hinge joints in our elbows, finger, knees and toes. They allow movement of the bones in one direction, that is up and down or back and forth movement. Now third is pivotal joints. Pivotal joint is present in the neck region where neck joins at the head. It allows the movement in forward and backward direction and also allows to turn right and left. Gliding joints. In gliding joints, it provides little movement in all the direction as it is present in ankle and wrist. Now, fixed joint. Fixed joint does not allow any movement between the bone. Example, skull. In skull also you can see the lower jaw is moving. So, except lower jaw, whole skull is immovable joints. They are not anywhere, we are not moving our skull part. Only lower jaw of the skull part is movable. So this is about the joint. Now what is cartilage? The part of the skeleton that is not hard as the bones and can be bent are called cartilage. It is present between the bone that is in joint and also in other parts such as ear, nose, etc. So cartilage is soft bone. Next is tendon. The tissue which attaches a muscle to the bone is called tendon and it is a strong fiber. Ligaments. The tissue which attaches the bone with other bones is called ligaments. It is tough, flexible band of elastic tissue. Next is muscle. What is muscle? It is the fibrous tissue in the body that has ability to contract and expand. Muscles are attached to the bone of our skeleton. It works in pairs. When one contracts, the other bone is pulled in that direction. The other muscle of the pair relaxes to move the bone in the opposite direction. The relaxed muscles contracts to pull the bone towards its original position. In this way, the muscles works in pair. So, muscles is very much important. So, please go through it nicely. Now, the next part of the topics will be discussed in the next video. Till then, bye.